Welcome to our channel Kidslore TV.
Hello, friends. Today, we're going to learn all about the 26 capital and small letters of the English alphabet. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we have A. A is for apple. Next, we have B. B is for ball. Next, we have C. C is for cat. Let's move on to D. D is for dog. Next, we have E. E is for elephant. Next, we have F. F is for fish. Let's move on to G. G is for grapes. Move on to H. H is for house. Now, move on to I. I is for ice cream. Here come J. J is for jelly. Next, we have K. K is for kite. Next, we have L. L is for lion. Next up is M. M is for monkey. Next is N. N is for nest. Next is O. O is for orange. Let's continue with P. P is for penguin. Now, continue with Q. Q is for queen. Now, we have R. R is for rainbow. Here come S. S is for sunflower. Here come T. T is for tree. Here come U. U is for umbrella. Almost there. Here are V. V is for vegetables. Here are W. W is for wheel. Here are X. X is for xylophone. We have Y. Y is for yam. Finally, we have Z. Z is for zebra. Great job, everyone! We learned all 26 letters of the alphabet, capital letter and small letter today. Let's review them together. A, B, C, D, all the way to Z. Keep practicing your ABCs, and I'll see you next time on Kidslore TV.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.